Okay, so we got the Rode Professional Studio arm. So this should be pretty good. Setting up my studio, so I figured, hey, we need a professional arm because obviously we're professionals here. So let's take a look at this professionalism. So the microphone I got that I'm going to connect, I'll show you in the next video, but it's not the Rode. So I think this can connect any microphone, but I don't know. Okay, so this just comes out. Wow, this looks nice. Feels very professional for sure. Super sturdy. So I've never had a microphone stand, so I don't know what this is going to be like, but this feels very sturdy. Just trying to figure out how this is going to work. Take a look. Okay, we got this. I mean, this definitely doesn't feel flimsy at all. What is this? We're gonna open this. You have to tear this? I don't know. So I kind of preserve it a little bit, but maybe just maybe I open it like this. Okay, there we go. Ooh, yeah, this feels. Whoa, okay. It feels sturdy. Okay. So okay, so I guess this goes. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's see when to wind this thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, that feels good. Okay. Now, mind you, this is without me reading the instructions, so I'm just kind of trying to figure it out on my own without reading them, but it seems pretty straightforward. Okay, we're going to take this thing off. Boom. Where does this go? Here? Oh, okay. I guess you have to take off this bolt. Maybe put it in here? Not sure. I mean, it's only got 3 parts, so it should be straightforward, I guess. There's that part. Okay, that goes there for sure. And this seems like it would go over here, but it's kind of... Okay, let's go to the instructions. Okay, that I got. This goes in there. Okay. Okay, so I've been doing this completely wrong. This is not the end that goes here. This is. Okay, so I think this is if you drill a hole in your desk, I believe. But oh, okay. Boom. Holy schmoly. That looks pretty cool. Alright. So now we're going to need a microphone. Okay, that was pretty easy to install. So this thing, and it's got clips here so you could run the microphone cable. So, okay, super. So that's pretty easy. I don't know why it took me that long, but wow, this is great. Okay, so that concludes this video. Next video, I'm going to be plugging in the microphone, and let's see how that goes.